Let's clean our Shark StainForce. So we finished cleaning up a mess with it. So this little caddy right here, where the Shark StainForce stays, actually comes out. So you're gonna take this out. Inside there's a little max fill line there at the bottom. So we're just gonna fill it up with some water. We'll put that back into the caddy here. Then we're gonna put the StainForce back in. We're gonna turn it on. There we go. So that's rinsed kind of the components out, and it's got all of the water out of there. It's pretty dry in there. Now here, the spout here at the bottom, we're going to open that up, pour that out. And then, you know what I like to do is take everything apart. So push the button here on the top, remove the handle. This can just set aside, so you're not going to worry about that. Now I like to take everything apart. So here you can take the head of the cleaning attachment off here, so you remove that. And then I like to remove the cover here. So the cover comes off, and now you can just rinse all of that stuff off. So that's really nice. And then the actual agitator or the scrub brush, you can take that part off too. Scrub that off and pick all the hair, anything that got clogged on there, you just pick that off. So that just comes off really easily. So that's not bad. So that's discarded then. Now the canister here. So here's the motor. Grab here on the sides, those little tabs there, pull that out. Now I avoid getting any water on this part here, but down here, this is kind of the turbine inside of it. So I like to rinse that off, especially if I was cleaning something that was sugary, right? I want to get all of that stuff off of there. So I like to rinse that off. And then the canister itself, I like to rinse that out. And then finally, this piece comes out as well. So you can just grab this and pull that out. And this is going to collect any crumbs, hair, dirt, and dust and stuff like that. So I like to clean this out inside here. You see all that stuff that's collected in there. And then you can just go ahead and rinse that out. And then give this another little rinse here. And then I just set everything aside to dry, and then I put it back together and store it till my next use. If you want a complete tutorial on how to use this Shark StainForce, check that video out next.